Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to change the Microsoft Edge browser icon. For those of you who use Microsoft Edge for browsing, you can try changing the Microsoft Edge icon using the method I will share in this video.
The first step, look for the Microsoft Edge application on your desktop screen. If you have found it, right-click on your mouse, then you can watch this small arrow to follow the steps.
Okay guys, that's how to change the icon on the Microsoft Edge browser. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.